Welcome fall into your home with a trendy and inviting door wreath. Here are 3 simple ideas to inspire you. Incorporate trendy dried florals in warm harvest tones, like red eucalyptus, neutral palm leaves, and tropical protea to create a contemporary look that still has the cozy feel of the season. Instead of sticking to the classic round shape, try giving your wreath a modern update by experimenting with different shapes. Take cues from the pics you want to include when selecting a shape for your wreath. For example, these dried palm stems and pappus plumes make an interesting shape when they're put together. Just fill the gaps with florals and ribbons in different sizes and textures. Bring in a square basket as the base to update a traditional round arrangement. Then incorporate the deep, rich hues of the blue pumpkins and velvet ribbons combined with orange Soteria grass to create an interesting pop of color that still feels like fall. You can take fall wreaths to a contemporary place with a variety of shapes, colors, and trendy floral picks. So use your imagination to make one that's a unique reflection of your personal style. And remember, wherever your style goes, Hobby Lobby's here to help you all season long. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.